So we actually did it. We reached 100 subscribers. It's been maybe 2 years of semi regular content. I have to say it's not the best quality, but thank you to everyone for helping me reach this point. It's taken quite a bit of time. We've come pretty far from recording to recording on the floor, recording next to my couch, to having a garage as like a nice set. So I wanted to go over some of the how it was built. It was actually like, for a while I thought, oh my god, a garage is going to take so long. Look at like RC Everyday and all those other crazy garages online. And obviously, it took them so long to build them. It must have cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars. But no, I did. Turns out it's only like $20. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. So I wanted to go over this. The main part of it, the floor, is just like, it's cardboard. I mean, it's cardboard that I spray painted gray, and there are just some kind of spills, dirt. It's like some shock oil that I spilled, black paint. The walls are just really cheap, like Home Depot. I think it's like 1/4-inch wood. Really easy. I just went to the hardware store and got it, spent maybe $8 on the wood. It's not a particularly big garage, but yeah, so some of the furniture is all just homemade, cut out with wood, and then I glued it together. So yeah, first thing up, Hopper moved you out of the way. The bench. Excuse my reach. But yeah, so bench is just, let me move up the tripod a little bit. Bench is just a couple pieces of wood. There's this thicker part that makes up the kind of the working part of the bench, and the back. I was thinking about having 4 legs, but honestly, like, this is probably what you'd find more in an actual garage, something a little bit stronger. I put some obviously you have to have the Scale Builders Guild sticker there. Then from back in my my Cub Scout days, back in the day, still have some little stickers. So those are from just a Pinewood Derby car, or extras that I had from a Pinewood Derby. These tools are actually pretty interesting. These are I think they're all the way back from like the 80s maybe. I'm not sure. They were my mom's because she collected like dollhouse stuff. But they are scale. They are 1/10 scale, or close to that. You can see Hopper can hold them, work on trucks, and yeah, they look pretty good. They're pretty realistic. They have lots of detail. Scissors. Let's see if I have a piece of paper anywhere. Yep. Scissors actually will work to cut paper. You can see. Actually works, which is really cool. I don't know why, but the tool set has quite a few nutcrackers. But yeah, of course, they articulate. There's a little hook on them for hanging. I don't think I'll do that. This bit here is just the part of the a Proline parts kit. Parts, just like an assorted parts thing. It has the, you can put the top on it, just have a box, have it open. I kind of have it so that it looks like Hopper is just working. Maybe he's got some chain. Obviously have a cup of coffee, because you can't work without that. Then the roll of duct tape is just some Gorilla tape around a little spoon, or circular piece of wood hanging off the bench. That usually happens to me with the actual Gorilla tape, Harambe's finest. Usually ends up just hanging on my desk. But yeah, put this back. Let's see. Next up, this tire rack. Take the bumper off. Have a little leaf spring on top of that. So you can't really have a garage without tires, and so made this. Just put all of my assorted tires onto it. This is 12th scale from the WL Toys. These are, I think, 25th or 24th scale, sorry, and then 16th scale. And you know, who knows? I mean, maybe Hopper works on go-karts. He's one of those guys. You know what I mean? But yeah. Oops, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. The camera turned off. But yeah, once I was done with most of the stuff in the garage, just have these cut out some long bits and have that off in the corner, just some extra maybe firewood. Then these the shelves everywhere, kind of all over the walls. See, they're all just like literally just cardboard. Took long piece of cardboard, 2 little triangles of cardboard, glued it all together, spray painted it black. Yeah, you got a shelf. So over here, this is probably the most detailed one, has the most stuff on it. Some little paint cans. I did have to glue them down because a lot of the time they would I'd accidentally knock the garage, it'd fall down. It was pretty annoying. But yeah, we have those. We have a little ladder. It does stand up by itself. You can see, again, take out Hopper. He can stand on it. He does fit. I'm not holding him on that ladder. So just to reach some of the higher places, you need a ladder in your garage. Come on. Then another roll of tape. This time some just white tape, standard electrical tape, with a extra piece of tubing I found. I forgot where that was from. Up on some of the other shelves, we have bumper, another bumper. It's Proline cooler. It's pretty cool. You know, you can put stuff in there, put some beer in there, some drinks on it. This little stool here. Piece of foam on top of some little, just cylindrical pieces of wood, so that you can get down underneath the truck, not be too uncomfortable. Oops, yeah, I did have to cut off his legs so that it'll fit in the interior of my truck. Too bad, he does still stand though, so it's not a complete disaster. A lot of the time I will have his gun out of the holster and have it on this little shelf over here. Let's put that there. And then I have the extra inner fenders from the rear of the Gen 7. Just bolted them onto the walls. They don't look too bad. Up here, helmet, little jerry can, and a spare battery. This is just some pieces of wood, different size, and some more wood on top. Of course, painted black. Here we have the hood from the WL Toys 12428. Then yeah, up at the top of the garage near the roof, does not have a roof. I can kind of reach my hand down. Just a bunch of stickers I cut out, or bunch of logos I cut out from the RC Car Action magazine. Not a bad magazine. I would definitely recommend it. So just Venom, of course, all not actual full-size truck brands, off-road brands, but they are companies that I do admire for their work. Over here we kind of have the bunch of other stickers. I could not find a good Axial logo, I swear. If I found a good one of those, I would just take it, put it there, you know. But no, not one of those. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, do it. Thank you all for watching. I'm pretty happy to get to this point in YouTube, even if it took so long. Yeah, see you next time. Thank you.